So when I was 17, I got my, or 16, I got my, no, 15, got my learner's permit. South Carolina, I'm in Elgin. I used to drive to this community called Wildwood. We grew up in the trailer park, and that's never a good look. And so I used to come over here, man, and just ride through these communities. Like, you know what? One day I'm gonna live like this. And these homes, they just look so big to me back then. I mean, they probably only, most of them less than 3,000 square feet, but it's manicured. I mean, you look at the lawns and everything. The streets is nice and clean. I used to really like this home right here because it had the side load garage, but it was this one. This one just really did it. It did it for me. It was like a gold colored stucco. It was real fancy, like, look at the roof, side load garage, and this home it was just everything for me. And I would just come to this little community, and I just come in here. I didn't bother anybody. I didn't stop. I just ride through, slow down a little bit. There was no camera phones at the time, no digital photography. This was in the late 80s. I was, like I said, a teenager, and I would just ride through here. And this is like a golf course community. These homes are not on the golf course, but the golf course is like down the road and everything. So I would just ride through here and saying, you know what? One day I'm going to live like this. And this was how it started. So, right now, I'm just driving my truck today. I'm proud of my truck. I have the King Ranch edition of the Ford F series. And I would just ride through these communities. And I just knew that one day I would find myself at this level. And so this was how it sort of started for me. And so I'm going to switch from my phone to my other camera, and then you'll see sort of my current community, and then ultimately where I want to go. But it all started, just a dream, just driving through these types of communities. So if you're doing this type of thing, let me tell you, keep going, keep doing it, because you start to burn these images in your mind, and your mind doesn't know the difference between reality and make-believe. It just, when you tell your brain that's what you want, it just starts looking for ways to make it happen. I'm not going to say it's instant, but it does start looking for ways. It starts highlighting things. And if you really focus and pay attention and don't give up, you can't give up. I mean, even on your worst day, you cannot give up when all the chips are down, no money, credit bad, you owe everybody, no job. You cannot give up. Don't you ever, 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 ever give up. It will eventually start to break. Everybody catches a lucky break. So the next, when we go to the next video, I'll show you sort of where I'm living now and what I'm up to. So hopefully this is helpful to the folks. And if anybody lives in this Elgin, sort of Columbia, South Carolina, you're familiar with this area, this was a very real start for me. Hey, what's up, folks? It's my birthday today. So I'm out, went to get some oceanside pancakes. That's something I like to do. But this time, I'm not in Columbia. I'm down in South Florida, and this is my home. It is nice, gated. It's a golf course community. And as you can see, things, they worked out for me. But I will say that a lot of that had to do with the visualization. Driving through these nice communities, seeing the nice manicured homes. I knew I always wanted those things. And it worked out. I mean, obviously I went to college. That certainly helped. Now I own this home right here. That's one of the homes that I own. I'm actually renting it out to a family right now that's out of Hollywood. They do movies. I'm looking at acquiring another home. I'll show you that one shortly. But these types of nice homes, this manicured living, one of my neighbors there, I always knew, well, I'm not gonna say I always knew. I mean, because if you're not born in this stuff, you don't even know this world exists. But it certainly helps to have communities that you can drive through. You get in, you say, you know what, I want to have that home one day. And I think for a lot of people, homes and cars is a lot of it. I did not know I wanted to be a Lamborghini guy. This is actually Lamborghini number 5. But I knew I wanted a much better life. I wrote it in my high school, Jostin's senior yearbook. I'm sure a lot of you all are familiar with that. You know, I wrote down that I wanted to be making at that time in 1991. Seems like a long time ago from a lot of you all, but I'm 53 today. Really doesn't feel that long at all to me. I wrote down that I wanted to make $2,000 a week. I wanted to live in Columbia, South Carolina. I wanted to live in a 2,500 square foot home. I wanted to drive a Lexus LS 400. You know, again, that's just through exposure and experience. I didn't have much, so I really, you know, I wasn't exposed. So you can only shoot for what you've been exposed to. The only thing I did have was driving through nice communities in Wildwood, and things worked out for me. Now, I did change my goals and dreams a lot by the time I turned 30, because I witnessed a lot more, and so I started to want more. I had I think an NSX, Acura NSX. This was early 2000s, and then, you know, I drove that car. I had a very nice home. I had achieved everything on that list that I wrote on my senior yearbook. Wrong button. By the time I was a senior, by the time I was 30, I checked off everything on that list from high school. And I said to myself, you know what? You really should have wrote a bigger list. But I wasn't exposed. I couldn't drive through a community quite this established, but, you know, I did what I could with what I had. Now I want to buy this home here. The owner put it up for sale, but someone put a contract on it before I did, so we'll see if the contract falls through or not. But I also, oh man, there's so many rabbits down here in Florida. But I also, snakes too, not so many alligators. But I also designed my own dream home from scratch. I got with a guy, and get this, I was going through your traditional architects, and the guy wanted to charge me like $130,000. And then I went on Upwork, upwork.com. I got with a BIM expert, and he completely designed my French chateau home from scratch after 10 years of me going through so many architects that wanted to just charge me a ransom, a king's ransom. And maybe that's what they're supposed to cost, but, you know, I just didn't want to pay that, to be brutally honest. I did for a minute, but then I did not build it. It's very expensive, and I caught up with this BIM expert, and the main thing I wanted to do was get it to where it looked like I wanted it, so when I got to a builder, he would know exactly what I wanted. But this BIM expert, his name is HAI. I think he's out of Vietnam, and he designed my whole home inside and out. He put it in 3D. He set it to a video for me, and so now that's what I'm shooting for. It's very expensive. I went to meet with a builder not long ago. He told me it'll be about $5 million, but I got to get the right lot. Like, these lots are not big enough in this community. I want about at least 3 acres, and this day and time in 2026, a good 3-4 acre lot down here in South Florida could easily run you $800,000 or $900,000, and I really wasn't, you know, expecting that. And I really want to be in South Florida. I did go out and buy a couple of acres of land in South Carolina, but I really don't want to be there. That's some of my friends there, very nice people. But anyway, look, I'm sort of rambling now. I think you all get the point. The house happened, the car happened, and things worked out. So I sincerely hope this provides some inspiration for you. If you get a Lamborghini, get some driving gloves, because these cars will make you hold on. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign out, celebrate my 53rd birthday, go down to OEAU down in Palm Beach, sit by the ocean, have some pancakes with the family, and just enjoy life. So signing off now from the mobile home to where moguls roam. I am Anthony Von Mickle. Activate Gorilla Grind mode. Let's work.